Welcome to Air Engine Research. Today I'm going to do a little bit different. I've been thinking about something and I thought maybe I could present it to you and see what you think. I call it Anatomy of You and the Gasoline Engine. It may be surprised when I say the internal combustion engine may have been modeled after the human body functions. As I work with air engine research, I'm constantly thinking of mechanical and physical ways to create movement or rotational movement by different methods in order to power a vehicle with compressed air. I don't remember when or why I realized that a mechanical engine and a human body need a lot of the same things to function, but they do. I will try to describe where I see the engine functions that are the same or similar to human functions. Both need air, and they both need fuel and food. Humans to live and the engines to run. The air is breathed into the lungs through the nose or mouth, and the chest muscles expand and expelled when the chest muscles contract. Oxygen in the air is passed through the lungs into the bloodstream, and the nutrients from food in the stomach is also passed into the blood for energy. Now the engine, air is drawn through the intake valve, and it's mixed with fuel from the gas tank as the piston is pulled down by the crankshaft to fill the cylinder. The mixture is compressed and exploded to push the piston down, which turns the crankshaft, which pushes the piston back up, pushing the exhaust out through the exhaust valve. Human energy that is produced from the food powers our brain and the muscles that we use to maneuver and walk. Energy from the exploding fuel or air mixture is used to push the piston down, powering the vehicles or driving. The muscles are connected to bones that support our body and are pushed and pulled to move arms, hands, legs, walk, and do things. The piston is connected to a connecting rod and the crankshaft that powers the car to move. The piston is the muscle for the engine. Humans have a brain to control body functions. The engine, they have computers to control almost everything in and on the engine, such as timing, temperature, fuel efficiency, and much more. Humans have blood veins. Engines have fuel lines. Humans have kidneys and a liver to filter impurities. Engines have fuel, oil, and air filters. Humans, the brain controls body temperature by sweating and air cooling on the skin. The engine controls water temperature in the radiator with thermostat and with airflow. Humans, the brain controls heart rate and rhythm. Engines, RPMs are controlled by vacuum or electronic advance. Humans have a heart to pump blood through the body. Engines have fuel, oil, and water pumps. Humans have nerves to warn of pain and danger. Engines have gauges, pressure switches, and lights to warn of problems. As a last thought, my daughter's car is even better than humans at dimming headlights when approaching oncoming cars at night. I don't know if this was interesting for anyone else, but it is for me. Thank you for listening, and until next time.